Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Who's ready for cuteness overload? Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Y'all, I'm not going to hold you too long today because I know you have a lot of things to do, but I did want to share with you some new digitals that are now available on my website. I've been playing around, my daughter's been playing around, and we have been having a blast. So I'm going to switch to my overhead camera to give you a closer look at what I now have available. Before I show you the paper packs, I want to show you something that I've made with one of them. Today we're not doing a tutorial, but I will be sharing a tutorial on this pretty soon. And what this is a beautiful folio that when you open it, look at how gorgeous that is. I didn't want to cover this, so I'm going to show you a way to attach some papers without covering the beautiful image that might be on the paper that you've used as the liner. What I've done is I've created a box and I've mounted the box to a chipboard folio. I attached two pockets to the front. We have a flap that opens with Velcro, and on the inside I have my phone. So if I just want to run out real quick because I've got to pick something up and I need to make some quick notes, I can just take this with me. You can add a handle to it. You can do so much to it if you want. You can even Mod Podge the outside to make it more protected. But it's so easy. It's chipboard supported, so it is very sturdy. Will hold your phone. Even the box has chipboard. So you don't have to worry about your phone falling through the box, because we're making a very sturdy box. And like I said, I'll be making this in an upcoming video, but the papers that I used on this are from today's collections. So the first collection that I have, I'm calling it On Golden Pond, and I used one of these papers for the outside, and you can see that paper right here. So I've mixed and matched papers from two collections to create that project. Y'all, all of my digitals are 8.5 by 11, and I'm going to flip through On Golden Pond. So we have this beautiful cut apart page. You can fussy cut all of these wonderful images, even this large border image here at the bottom. Then we have a card page, and once you cut this apart, you can make two cards that are 4.25 by 5.5. Then we have this beautiful faded polka dot on faded orange background with baskets of pumpkins and flowers overlaid on the top throughout. Then we have this beautiful large graphic. I just had to make this one because I'm toying around with an idea for this one, so I really wanted this large graphic image. So I really wanted to share this large graphic image with you guys. And then we have this in landscape. We have the nice pumpkin basket here surrounded by flowers, overlaid with autumn leaves. Then we have our large page here. It's a large graphic that has little tiny birds on it. Then we have this page in portrait mode with the flowers offset to the side on a rustic fence. And for this book, I used the fence in landscape mode to be able to make this folio. So you'll get two pages. They'll have different floral images, but you'll have one in portrait and one in landscape. So these are the flowers that will be on that landscape image. So this beautiful paper pack here is the On Golden Pond paper pack. Then we have the second autumn paper pack, and it's A Day in the Patch. This is the paper pack that my daughter Erin created, and I think she did a fabulous job. She did this with very minimal supervision from me or instructions from me. I simply told her to create something in my image that she thought I would like, and she did very well. So we're calling this one A Day in the Patch. So we have this beautiful large graphic page here that has beautiful autumn flowers with a beautiful autumn background. I really wanted to make sure that autumn was truly the theme of these two paper packs. Then we have Erin's little whimsical page with the scarecrow in the corner, a wheelbarrow with flowers, some pumpkins offset with some flowers here. And I'm sure you recognize this little guy from this book. So you get him in two orientations. You get him landscape, and you're going to get him portrait. Then we have this nice mushroom page. I just love it. I think it's so stinking cute. And this sweet leaf page, it just reminds you of a trip to the mountains to see the leaves when they're turning. And we have another one of the scarecrow pages, and he's surrounded by all types of autumnness. He's got the wheat, the hay, the pumpkins, the bales of hay, the sunflower stalk, and I believe that this one comes in the portrait and landscape orientation as well. And then we have this beautiful page here with the mushrooms in a feel of autumn foliage, top and bottom. And then we have these two pages with a landscape and a portrait orientation that just scream autumn. Look at the colors of these. Stacked books with pumpkins and flowers, either in landscape or portrait. This is A Day in the Patch, created by my daughter Erin. So if you can only buy one of these, I hope that you'll buy this one because this is her first one, and I think it would be a great ego boost for her to see how much support she gets on doing this. And then we have two Christmas packs. We have one that's called Christmas Magic, all about the Christmas red. We have red plaid throughout and red floral throughout. So this is a beautiful red script page. I used a red grungy background and overlaid script. And then we have this beautiful bouquet that really pops with our red flower here. I don't know what kind of flower that is, but if you do, leave it in the comment section. Then we have this gorgeous page. We have a whole array of flowers on this side. And then we have a Christmas lantern just slightly peeking out. And this one will come in landscape and portrait. We have that grungy background here at the top, and then the classiness of the plaid at the bottom. And separating the two, we have a beautiful Christmas clock with Christmas foliage on both sides. Again, this is landscape and portrait. And then we have this beautiful plaid and floral page, and I've added some polka dots to the top, very faint polka dots, and I've made the graphic huge. So on this one, we don't have the polka dots, and we have a smaller image of that flower, so you might not want it as big. And then we have our card page. I took the clock pattern and turned it into our little card set. And then we have these beautiful Christmas cut aparts. Fussy cut these out, very easy to do, using these on your crafts. And guys, remember, when you purchase these downloads and you download them to your personal device, you have unlimited access to these forever. And then my last Christmas pack is my favorite because it's blue, and I wanted to do a really cute blue Christmas pack. And this one is called A Snowy Christmas. And our first page is a script page with some very faint polka dots overlaid on white flowers with branches and blue leaves. Y'all, this is so cute, and we have a few doves on this page. Then this one is that same page, just cropped differently with different things added. So we have our snowman here. We have some beautiful flowers here in the corner, and the image is slightly larger. And this is more of a watercolor image, so that's the effect that you'll get when you print it out. And then we have these two pages, portrait and landscape. Not sure if you can see the bells that are going throughout, but this is a beautiful Christmas page, beautiful Christmas blue, beautiful Christmas bells. So then we have another cut apart page that you can fussy cut your images, and I have mixed and matched images so that you have some that are from this pattern, so you have some that are from this collection, and you have some that I've just thrown in because I thought they went with this, and they do. So this is our cut apart page. And now we're coming to my two favorite patterns in the whole Christmas collection. We have this in landscape and portrait, and y'all, it is gorgeous. I am going to hold it up so that you can see. We have a deer that's clad in blue, and we have a beautiful blue Father Christmas sleigh, beautiful blue Christmas tree with Christmas ornaments. We have this wonderfully faint blue Christmas background and blue snowflakes. And then we have the cream foliage throughout. So it really does make for a beautiful paper, landscape and portrait. And then here is my favorite paper in the whole collection. We have a page full of Christmas cheer in blue. So we have a fireplace scene, beautiful fireplace, beautiful blue chair, presents across the bottom, a nutcracker. We have this beautiful blue Christmas tree, Santa all clad in blue, presents up top, wreath here. Y'all, it's absolutely gorgeous. These are my 4 new digital paper packs, and I think that you will love them. They are available on my website right now. And as a bonus, if you purchase all 4 together, I will have a best value pick out there. It will be all 4 of these. When you purchase all 4 of these together, you are going to get a best value price. So if you purchase them separately, you'll get the standard price that I offer my digitals for. But if you purchase all 4 of these, you're going to get a discounted price. And if you purchase all 4 of these as that best value option, you have to pick the best value option. Remember those glassine bags that I shared with you, and I made some beautiful Christmas images to go on those bags? Well, you're going to receive a free download of those images. So make sure that if you want to get the best price and you want to get the free images to use on your bags or however you want to use them, make sure you pick the best value option. Even if you only choose to buy one, hint, hint, you're still getting a great value. So thank y'all so much. And you probably heard Loki running around in the background. She is here today. So thank y'all so much for supporting me and for supporting my channel, supporting my website, and everything that I'm trying to do with my digitals. I really do appreciate it, because every time you purchase one of my digitals, you help me to keep the lights on, and you also help to make it possible for me to continue to buy the supplies I need to run my YouTube channel. So I really do appreciate it. As always, my friends, y'all please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.